Good morning, students. The rest questions of section C is Shakespeare wrote many plays. Here, Shakespeare is a complete subject, and wrote many plays is a complete predicate. In question number 12, our family's new car is a small one with a big trunk. Our family's new car is a subject and is a small one with a big trunk is a predicate. From here, dual airbags make the car very safe. Dual airbags is a subject and makes the car very safe. Make the car very safe is a predicate. Wise customers do not like to spend too much on petrol. Wise customers, it's a complete subject, and do not, from here, do not like to spend too much on petrol, it is a complete predicate. The leather seats feel comfortable. The leather seats is a subject and feel comfortable is a predicate. Thus, this chapter is this question is completed. Now, see in question number D. Underline the object in the following sentence. Then classify them as a direct object and indirect object. My mother bought me some apples. Here, my mother bought me some apples. My mother bought some apples to whom? Me. So, me is a indirect object and some apples is a direct object. In question number 2, place the cat into its pen. Place the cat into its pen. Here, its is just come for cat and pen is the place where it is kept. So, pen is a direct object and its is a indirect object. She sent an email to her friends in Mumbai. She sent an email. An email is a direct object and to her friend. So her friend is a indirect object. The kids played street hockey all afternoon. The kids played street hockey all afternoon. Here street hockey is a direct object. Titu got an invitation to witness the trial. Titu got what? Titu got an invitation to witness the trial. Here to witness, it's a indirect object. The king gave Birbal a piece of land. The king gave Birbal a piece of land. So the king, here Birbal is a indirect object and a piece of land is a direct object. I need more time for this work. So I need more time for this work. So more time is a object. I need more time. This one the direct object. The plumber sent mother a bill for fixing the sink. The plumber sent mother. Here mother is a indirect object. A bill is a direct object. And in question number 10, Paul bought us ticket for Sunday's games. So here us is a indirect object and tickets is a direct object. Thus this question is completed. Now in question number E. In question number E, it is said Each of the following sentence contain a complement. Underline the suitable complement and underline the subject complement and double underline the object complement. Subject complement and object complement. See here in this question, Shekhar is extremely intelligent. Here, intelligent is Shekhar is extremely intelligent. So intelligent is used only for Shekhar. It tells something about Shekhar. So this one the complete this one the complement of Shekhar, subject. I find him intelligent. Him is an object. So intelligent is used for him. So here intelligent is an object complement. So double underline for it. Kavita's hair dye turned the water pink. Here Kavita's hair dye turned the water. The water is an object and the water has changed in color pink, in pink color. So it is pink is a object complement. That's why it is underlined here 2 times. After our fight on the first day of school, Mohit became my friend for life. Mohit became my friend. Mohit became my friend for life. Here this one the object complement, because my friend is an object and for life it's a object complement. We painted the ceiling white. Here we painted the ceiling and white is the object complement, because ceiling is the object. You are making me angry. You are making me. Here me is also an object. So angry is used for me. So it is object complement. Sachin is a good batsman. So Sachin is a subject and batsman tells something about Sachin. So a good batsman is a subject complement. Dinesh named his dog Diamond. Dinesh named his dog. His dog is a object and Diamond is the name of that object. So it is a object complement. Known as the father of nation in India, Gandhiji was a popular lawyer in South Africa. Gandhiji was popular lawyer in South Africa. So was a popular lawyer. Here popular lawyer, it tells about Gandhiji. So known as a father of nation in India, Gandhiji was a popular lawyer in South Africa. So it's a subject complement. The gift Kavita gave her mother was a necklace. The gift Kavita gave her mother was a necklace. So here it tells about the gift was the necklace. Kavita gave her mother. So the gift here talking about gift. So it's a subject complement. Thus this chapter is completed and rest part of this practice exercise is completed now, and I hope you will take the help of these hints, these videos, and solve your all problems. Thank you. Have a nice day.